Am I in frame? I think I'm in frame. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. How you guys doing? I know the last video that you saw, I was a little old crusty, but let me tell you something. It's still on the same day. I was crusty and then snows on my footer and whatnot, but it's okay. It's fine. It's still Friday today, Friday the 6th of May. I'm doing a weekend vlog because I have a couple of things that I need to do this weekend. I have, well, today's Friday, and Kubasa, we have a wellness something. Basically, we're working out. So I am wearing my tights. I'm thinking of getting like a denim shirt from Surya Gareba, but I don't have a plain denim shirt. All my denim shirts are, the other one is flowers, and then the other one is striped. So given the print on this, I can't wear the plain one. But anyway, I think I'm just going to go like this. Yeah, number one. Number two, that's the major thing that's happening today. And then tomorrow is Ashley's birthday, so we're having a party. So we're having a party. So tomorrow we're going for Ashley's party. It's gonna be dope. It's gonna be cool. I might end up sleeping over at her house because we have church on Sunday. Because I feel like the party will end late, and I'm not too sure how I'll probably get home. So I'm gonna end up sleeping at her house, and then we wake up on Sunday, we go to church, and then after church I have another event that I'm attending. That's after church, that's being hosted by Mel Viridi. I like Mel Viridi. She doesn't know this, and I doubt she remembers me, but I met her once, and when I met her I could just feel that I felt, like I felt like she's gonna be in my life. Not now, I don't know, maybe now, but I felt like, because I met her last year. So when I met her last year, I just had this feeling that this person is gonna be in my life at some point in my life. She's gonna be in my life, and we're gonna be doing amazing things together. I just don't know when. I'm waiting for God. Am I really waiting for God? I have no idea, but I just know that at some point we're gonna meet and we're gonna have vibes. So I'm gonna go to this event that she's hosting on Sunday, and then after that I'm gonna come back home. So if I can't find my towel, I'm trying to pack my refreshing chakuti so that I'm able to refresh after the wellness session. But I can't find my cute yellow towel. It's not here. It's not here. And it doesn't make sense for me to just carry roll on and not have a towel, because what's the point? But anyway, let us get into this vlog. Can you see that I am? Yeah, so there's this guy on Instagram. There's this man on Instagram, you guys. He's been sending me inappropriate messages talking about how he wants to sit me on a chair, put soap on my head, and oil it, and cut it with a razor, and then when it's done he wants to oil it. Like, those messages are just so improper. Like, if you read them, you'd probably realize this man is not talking about just my head, but maybe I'm just getting like messages. Who thought? I'm wearing this cap that I got from my father's memorial. It's the only thing. Is it the only thing? Oh, from my dad's memorial, I got this cap, and I got my socks, ne tie. But my socks, obviously, by now, Karasika. Tie, I have no idea what it is. But this cap, this one, this polo, it's an original polo. But anyway, bye. So, Miriro gave me this bag. Miriro Moments. She she didn't give me. She was just like, hey, there was stuff in there, right? So she put the stuff in there, and then she's like, this bag is a bit old. I just needed a place where I could like place the stuff, and then make it easy to carry. But it has literally become like my go-to bag, because it has enough space. If I tell you, go to mune boots, Zandruda for the wellness program, mune my lunchbox, because my food bag is dirty, mune my toiletry bag that is supposed to that I'm supposed to use after I'm done with the wellness, just to freshen up, and then mune wallet yangu in just this bag. Imagine. Anyway, bye. Let us go. Over Aisha Safus. I'm going to show an operator. Anyway, thank you very much, Lisa. You're a star. We are vlogging.
Shout out.
Oh, shout out to Lisa, hey, my assistant. My vlogging assistant. Guys, Lisa is the raw one. Anyway, Muno follow Instagram, please. Muno follow Lisa per Instagram. Thank you very much. I will link her. Using the back camera is you never know when you're in frame and when you're not in frame. You're just gambling.
Hey, this is Lady Duracell, and you're listening to that DJ Petit, that DJ Soul Seductive Sessions.
Yes, this is T-Roy from the Board side, and you're in tune to the original DJ Petit, rinsing up and beating up the beat.
I am a man. I am a father. I am a son. And I'm living in my pride. I am true. I am strong. I am worthy. Living in my pride. I am a woman. I am a mother. I am a daughter. And I'm living in my pride. I am black. I am brown. I am round. Living in my pride. I am rhythm. I am a song. I am the drum. Living in my pride. I am a singer. I am a dancer. I am music. Living in my pride. I am a tree. I am a flower. I am spirit. Living in my pride. I am freedom. I am equality. I am God. Living in my pride. Yeah, living in my pride. Yeah, living in my pride. Yeah, living in my pride. I am you. You are me. We are me. Living in a pride. Living in a pride.
here at the guest house doing a fitness Friday, and this is how it's going. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Tired. How you doing, Miss Jane? Already glowing. How are you? Hello.
So my microwave is here. My microwave is here. The girl is here. Here. The girl is here. Oh guys, I bought a microwave. I bought an entire microwave. I bought a multi. Bought an entire microwave. I never. It could never be me. It could never, ever be me now. I bought a microwave. Wow. Clap hands, guys. Clap hands for me. I bought a microwave. Oh my god. I'm smashing this adult chingwans. Like, without a doubt. I'm smashing. Like, I'm killing these girls. I'm killing them. We are unboxing my microwave. So it's a Maestro microwave. So here's the thing. I had about 150 on me. I had $150 left on me after I calculated my expenses, and ideally I was supposed to be buying a fridge, right? But then I figured fridge $150 ka inengeli second hand, and of which inini and this could have second hand fridge. So one day I was sleeping and I was thinking around it, right? I'm like, should I just keep the money and then those are wait till the next month for my fridge, or what's the plan? And then I believe God spoke to me. I had to believe, because this idea just came dagarara, guys. Like, you know what? Mara is kukwana fridge, but next month you're getting money in otokwana fridge, like at one go. So just buy a microwave, because eventually you're going to need a microwave later. After buying a fridge, because what's the point of having a fridge when you do not have a place where you can like warm up the food? So I was like, okay, dear God, I hear you. Like usual, I buy stuff from Facebook. I went on Facebook and I looked for microwaves. So I had an option, right? I could either have bought a silver one that has a mirror finish, or I could have bought a white one. Like, there were so many options. So I asked my best friend for help. Have best friends, guys. Have best friends. So I DM'd my best friend with two options, right? There was a 131 that I liked, and then there was this one. But the only difference, this one was going for 100, and then the other one was going for 130. And then the only difference was that with this one, it's black and it's 20 liters, and I think the other one was 25 liters. So so what I did was I asked my best friend, I'm like, hey, I have those two options, which one can I get? And then we looked at the functions. The functions were totally the same. The only difference was that the other one was silver, and then it was bigger when in terms of liters, right? Those were the only differences. And Amanda was like, to Misha, it's not like you're gonna be defrosting a turkey in it. You just need a microwave that will help you like do your day-to-day every day. I'm like, perfect. So also the other reason why I felt it easier to buy this one is because my mom recently bought another microwave, because microwave and then she bought herself this microwave. So I was like, buying this one is easier because I'm already familiar with it and it will not show me flames. And the other thing that I was considering when buying a microwave was, initially I just wanted a microwave, but Lisa was like, tenga touch screen. I'm like, why? So now I had this whole touch screen perspective to think about. So this one now, it came in, it has a touch screen, and then it has, and then it's black, and then it's smaller, which low-key matches with my stove that I'm pretty sure I'm gonna want to change soon for a bigger one. But anyway, yeah, that's it. I don't know if I'm acing this unboxing and what bands. Maybe. So there you have it, ladies and gents. It's I haven't seen the manual yet. It's yes, it's a 3-pin plug. Can you see? It's a 3-pin plug, which makes it which makes it dope. And then it's a touch screen over here. So it's a touch screen over here for popcorn, your baked potato, your pizza, your beverage, your frozen dinner, reheat, speed, defrost by weight, cook and timer, power, start, stop. So it's an entire touch screen. Lisa, ndakatenga touch screen wider. Touch screen, and then it's a electro master, but I don't want this here. I'll remove it. And then inside here, and then inside there is the manual. I can't believe I have manuals now. My mother used to keep these manuals whenever she would buy like a new TV and what, and now I'm at a stage where I have manuals. Good afternoon, guys. And then I'm pretty sure this is the glass, the plate, the glass, and that's it. That's the entire page. I don't know when I'm gonna start using this thing because I don't have the space to, I don't have anywhere to put it, but we'll see. That's all. Thank you for coming to my adulting episode 101. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.
just for me and the clique. This ain't life on the edge. What if you fall off the cliff? What if I learn how to fly? What if I get the
See, my necklace is not showing. It's not showing. It's not showing. I need it to show her so that I'll be pretty. Hey, my gents, what's up? How you guys doing? You good? When I internet people. So I'm early for the worship chapel. It's like 12 now, and then I'm already. Yeah, I've been starting at 1. But anyway, I'm done with church. Now we are the next space where we are doing the thingy, and I'm a little too early. Also, I'm early because the place is along the way when I'm coming from church. So I just decided, let me drop off here, then go into town and then come back. And then chat was a person out taking a lunch and said, "Put up at the They are coming."
But you're here for such a time as this, because God is about to do something new. We come on the next level. You're a woman on assignment. And right with your head, there were some among the disciples who asked him, why would she do that with such expensive oil? But here's what she understood, that I am treating what means the most to me, so that I can have you, Jesus. What are you willing to trade this afternoon, so that you can have an encounter with Jesus? Is there someone in this place who is ready to break the alabaster box, just so that they can have an encounter? Just so that they can have an encounter. What are you willing to trade in this place? What are you willing to give up to have an encounter to the King of Kings and to the Lord of Lords? Amen. Lord? Let's go. Come on, King Jesus. Come on, this afternoon. Hallelujah. Come on, lift your hands. Shout. I'm making it beautiful for you, Jesus. The same effort that we put. I've got different shades, the ones that I know when I'm going on stage, and then there's light, there's going to be so much light. I don't want to look a certain complexion, so I put a different shade. And then I put a different shade on a Sunday when I'm preaching, because I said, you know what, I don't want people to see what and then I put on this shade, and then that and that, and we are like that before God. So God says, give unto the Lord the honor due his name. Why would the Bible emphasize to give to the Lord the honor due his name? It's because God knows that as women, sometimes we are very good fixers.